Hey guys, this is your friend Cheat, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate CourseFunnels to you. This is a breakthrough course platform, the likes of which you've never seen before, because this is the only course platform, the only trainings platform that combines the entire business in a box. Let's quickly talk about what are the things we need to create a successful course and sell it. So the first thing we need, of course, is the course creation platform where you can create the course, you can create the chapters, you can create your videos, you can upload everything and present online that consumers, that your students can consume. Then that's not the end of the story. You will also need a way to sell the course. So you need a sales platform. And typically, if you are going for a classic course platform, you're going to have to buy a third party sales platform. You can buy something like ClickFunnels, or you were maybe using a special landing page builder, whatever. Then you need to find a way to communicate with your students, to talk to them, to sell to them repeatedly, and to also keep an eye on your sales. And to do that, you would need to integrate a third platform, which is the sales platform, which is the membership. Often they call it the membership, or you can call it the autoresponder. Sometimes you will need to integrate with a third party autoresponder to send out your emails. So basically, to run a successful online training business, you would need to buy 4 to 5 different products, which would easily set you back anything from $500 to $1,000 a month minimum before you even get started. So when I saw this happening, I thought about how I can improve things, and I then conceptualized CourseFunnels, which integrates everything together in one awesome piece of software. So this is CourseFunnels, and it is the most powerful course building system out there that integrates everything, that integrates the sales system, that integrates the membership system, and that lets you do email marketing too, all built right in one piece of software. So let's get started and see how this works. So the first thing, CourseFunnels is truly an international piece of software. With it, you can sell your courses in any language you want. You can operate it in any language you want. In fact, CourseFunnels supports 17 languages. So here is a complete list. To find the list, just click on select languages and you can find a complete list over here. These are all the languages that CourseFunnels supports, and there are 7 languages in all. For example, if I click on Hindi, my CourseFunnels is now in Hindi, and I can do all my work in Hindi. So if you are going to use your CourseFunnels, you want to use it in a local language, or you want to cater to a local language audience, maybe you are in Europe or in Asia somewhere, you can use CourseFunnels in your own language. It's very easy. Then I want to quickly demonstrate to you or quickly show you some of the features inside of CourseFunnels. Next, we have the integrations. It's something that everybody needs. Whenever you have a sales platform, whenever you have a system, you always need data to either come in or go out. And CourseFunnels supports that both ways. Firstly, we have the Zapier integration. If you want to use CourseFunnels with some third-party CRM, you can use that. I've got a detailed Zapier video in another video, so you can refer to that if you want to look at how exactly Zapier is integrated. But it's got Zapier integration, and it has integration for all your favorite autoresponders. So if you want to use a third-party autoresponder with CourseFunnels, you can do that. We've got all these autoresponders in here. These are all the prominent names. So you will be able to take your data, take your leads into the autoresponder you want, and send out your mails the way you want, exactly the way you want them to be. Then we've got other integrations, things that you can put inside CourseFunnels like live chat, Facebook Messenger, you can put in Skype, you can put in Google Analytics, you can put in Facebook Pixel, and in fact, it supports every kind of custom integration through JavaScript. So just click on add new integration and you can give it your own name and put the integration over here, and you can choose whether you want it to be in the footer or the header. And if you don't know which, choose any, it doesn't matter. Then CourseFunnels has a very rich system to report sales to you. See, you got your orders coming in from the landing pages, and I'm going to show you exactly how the landing pages work in a moment. But once you have got sales coming in, you will want to review the sales. You will want to see who's buying from you. and who and what are they buying. So CourseFunnels has a complete analytical system. It lets you search for anything with a name or email. So let's say you have a name that starts with J-E maybe. We can find all the people who start with J. So if you got Jenny, John over here, and there are other people too. So you can search for anyone by name, by email. You can search for them by their payment ID, quickly find their orders. You can see if the order is delivered or not. You can see if they are using the course or not. And if you want to cancel their access, you can do that. If you want to copy the link to the order, maybe you want to give it to your staff, you can do that too. You can view the order itself. So all of that is built right inside. You can get quite easy summaries that will tell you exactly how your courses are doing and who's buying your courses. And again, we have a huge number of payment integrations inside of CourseFunnels. So click on payment methods and you will see the integrations that you already have, and to integrate it with another payment systems, click on create new, and you will find integrations with all the prime payment gateways, the credit card gateways, and even the affiliate card systems. So we've got PayPal, we've got Stripe, we've got multiple payment processing gateways from multiple countries, and we've got affiliate platforms like JVZoo, like Warrior Plus, PayKickstart, ClickBank, built right inside. So you can use a third-party cart like Thrivecart. So basically, there is no limitation. CourseFunnels has a lot of integrations already, and every month we are adding fresh integrations. So if there is something that you want to use, even if it's an esoteric system, it's likely that it will be in CourseFunnels sooner than longer. Then I want you to look at the communication system. So CourseFunnels is designed to help you engage your students at every level. You can have them comment on your courses, on your lessons, and you can respond to those comments. You can see who commented and you can give an answer to them. You can see the reviews. You can create a review system that people can leave reviews on your courses. It's very easy. You can view the reviews. You can even delete the reviews if somebody is leaving a nasty review. You don't want the review to be public, you can delete the review. It's very easy. You can create assignments, and this is something really unique. Let's say you've got a course system and you want to actually reach out to people one-on-one. You want to talk to them and you want to charge them more money. Maybe you have a mid to high level coaching program. Then you will want to start off something like an assignment where you tell people exactly what they need to do and maybe some work, some homework or whatever. And then you need them to be able to submit the assignment to you. And CourseFunnels supports that. It also supports tests. So you can create tests that people can take at any time and they can instantly see their score. They can see how they did. It's got quizzes. Now quizzes are more like, some question answer session, multiple choice questions. People can see the question, they can choose the answer, and they will see the score right away. So this is a good way to give people the capability to test what they learned right after a chapter ends. So CourseFunnels is actually designed for educators, and it's designed to help you create a course that actually sells and makes you money long term. It's got notes too. Notes is, your students have the capability to write a note below every lesson. They can write a note highlighting something that they've learned and keep that note as something that they can refer back to. And you have the capability to view every note. And if you want to delete something, you can do that too. So this is going to be a pretty detailed demo. I will try to show you all the highlights of CourseFunnels, and since we have a lot of amazing features, that could take some time. But you got to pay attention, because if you want to win at trainings, if you want to win at courses, you want to make the least expense possible, and you want to make sure that the courses you put out, they actually sell, this is the product for you. So here's going to the settings menu. Inside of settings, you will find a lot of powerful settings that you can set up to make your courses better. Like we've got a URL, you can install CourseFunnels to any URL, you can put it on the main website. But if your main website has multiple courses, you want to make multiple courses on one website, CourseFunnels fully supports that. You can install CourseFunnels in a folder, and you can have multiple folders for all of your courses. So this is something that many people don't give you. Actually, nearly none of them give you. They ask you to host one course per website, but in CourseFunnels, you can host multiple courses on one website, and you can have HTTPS. It's just a part of security system. You can have routing to HTTPS. And if you want to disable page preview to make it even faster, you can do that. It's got SMTP and it's got even spinning. So if you want to write individualized emails to everyone, you can use content spinning. CourseFunnels supports content spinning in email. So every email that you send out will be 100% unique. You can disable reviews or likes or dislikes. You can disable comments, or if you want to have approval on comments, you can do that. And you can decide whether you want to send out an email to yourself or to the user when they leave a comment or when they get a reply. You can do that. And inside of sales settings, you can receive a notification every time you get a sale, and you can send out a purchase notification, like you can mark exactly which course you want to send the notification for, and you can send out things like OTPs or whatever you want to send out, maybe a sign up information, maybe a thank you note you can send out as an automated email. Inside of membership, you've got some extra features like password email reminder. You can even put in a custom content for password email that you send out. Of course, it's all taken care of by CourseFunnel itself. You don't need to do anything special. And whatever you don't know, like the regular expression for membership passwords, these are rules and you can just leave them be. If you're a power user and you want to enforce a different policy, that's totally up to you. Not to forget, you can create custom password, system password pages. Like you can have your own custom form, you can have your own custom layout too inside the course funnel designer, and I will come back to it later, so just hang on there. You can create your own custom 404 page, and you can select where you want to send people from the 404 page. And if there are any issues, if people have run into any errors, like while they're using and they're trying to do something invalid, you can put in a message that you want. It can be in any language that you want, and it can be structured any way that you want. So Course Funnels gives you the complete power. Also, CourseFunnels supports multiple users, and depending on the plan you get, Elite or Pro, you get either a limited number of users or unlimited users. So let's say you've got a setup where you've got different instructors or different VAs, virtual assistants, trying to help you with the courses. You can give them access to your installation of CourseFunnels, and they can come in, they can modify anything you want, they can give you reports, they can change stuff without you having to do it for them manually. Also, CourseFunnels gives you complete granular control over what permissions they have. So you can choose exactly what each member can access. So you can decide to give somebody access only to funnels and to some other person only to sales reports. It's totally on you. And CourseFunnels, by the way, is 100% GDPR compatible. So if you are based out of Europe and you are targeting European students, you can use this GDPR settings inside of CourseFunnels to process your GDPR requests. You can have a cookie consent message that people will see, and you can also have data requests. So whenever somebody files a data request, you will get it, and you can process that data request right inside of CourseFunnels automatically. I'm not going to go into great detail to show you how to do that because there is a separate tutorial for this, but this is also something that is supported by CourseFunnels, and that is something very important. If you want to sell in Europe, you will need this. And CourseFunnels has access to a very rich ecosystem of plugins. Now, it's actually the only membership system for courses that supports plugins, and we have gone ahead and built a bunch of amazing plugins. So you've got the proof convert, for example, which shows conversion proof on your sales pages. I've got it implemented even on this little page over here. So conversion proof pops up like this one over here. And if you know, third-party companies charge anything from $40 to $70 or even higher to show widgets like this. We've got exit pop-up built right in. So you don't need to invest in an exit pop-up theme or exit pop-up plugin from a third party, which could again set you back anything from $30 a month to more. And we've got a survey plugin built in and a bunch more. So anytime you want more plugins, you can click on add new plugins and go to our marketplace. So we've got the CloudFunnels marketplace. CourseFunnels is built on the same structure. So you can find all the plugins that we have built in, like the new review plugin, the SEO plugin, and multiple plugins for different markets. We've got a bunch of them, and new ones are being created every week. And this is actually an amazing ecosystem when you think about it. We are creating a lot of plugins for our users, for our CloudFunnels users, for our CourseFunnels users, and you can tap into that ecosystem, save hundreds of dollars a month, and sell more. Because imagine that proof convert, buying it from a third party is gonna be $80 or $60, and you can just save this money, invest it in your advertising, or invest it in your bottom line, take that money home. That's better. CourseFunnels makes that possible. Then CourseFunnels also has the most amazing funnel builder integrated right in. I'll get to the course creator too, but I want to show you the funnel builder first, the landing page builder where you can build your sales pages right inside of CourseFunnels. No need to buy ClickFunnels, no need to buy any third-party landing page builder. It's right in there. So click on course funnels, and then I've got a bunch of course funnels here, by the way, you can see them, and you can create a new one by clicking on create new. You can give your new course a name like my new course, call it whatever you want. You can select a course type. Is it going to be a free course? Free courses can be used to get leads. So you can create an opt-in page, grab those leads, get them leads to subscribe to you and deliver them right to the free course that you've set up. Or you can make it a paid course, have people pay you and then reach the course. It's totally up to you. And you can select the course URL. Like I told you earlier, CourseFunnels lets you install the training, the course in any subdomain, in any subfolder too. And that is something you cannot do with any other product. But with CourseFunnels, it's super easy. I will just let the defaults be, click on create, and your new funnel, your new course funnel will be created in seconds. So I have got the landing page, I've got the order page, I've got the payment confirmation page where people will be taken after they've paid. I've got the payment failure page, I've got registration page, the login page, the membership page, the course itself, which you can modify using the course content, and the forget password page. And the best thing is you can modify and customize them to your total desire in a matter of minutes. For example, let me go to the landing page. I can click on choose template to start using one of our ready-made templates, or if you want to create from scratch, if you've got your own design, you can choose create from scratch, but I'm gonna choose choose template to make things easy for me. And we've got a bunch of templates ready made. It's a huge pile of templates, and you can just start with any one you want. Let's start maybe with this one. Just click on the download button. The template will be downloaded to you in seconds, and you will be able to edit it now. So click on edit existing page, and that will take you right inside our beautiful landing page builder. This is one of the most powerful landing page builders you will ever see anywhere. Everything is 100% customizable, and you've got a number of widgets for everything, right? From videos, Google Maps, your PayPal integration, all sorts of containers, headings, images, even jumbotrons, cards, lists, everything is in here, and it's absolutely intuitive to use. You can just select anything, modify it, change anything you want, change the text of the buttons. On the right side, you've got the properties box where you control everything, absolutely everything about the appearance, the style, and you can have even advanced settings which will give you control over the fine-tuned styling and the behavior of any component on this page. You can change any image, you can have your own custom pricing, link the buttons to your price points, to your sales, to your order forms, wherever you want. It's very easy with course funnels. And we have a detailed tutorial about the landing page builder that shows you everything you can do with it right inside the course funnels membership. So you will know exactly how to create awesome landing pages, and we'll get you there with a running start thanks to the scores of templates we already have built in. In the same manner, you can modify the order page, start from choosing a template. We've got auto form templates too. So there is a template for everything, and that's gonna save you a lot of time. You can just pick and choose in most cases what you want and just modify it for your needs. To create the actual content of the course, you just click on course content, and all the courses that you have are listed over here. You can modify any course you want by clicking on the edit button, create a new course by clicking on create new. Let me quickly show you how to modify the course because it's basically the same. So you can set up basic things like the course title and ID if you want to give it, the description, any kind of category that you want to select, the level of the course, and do you want to allow downloading of a certificate. So actually CourseFunnels supports a certificate. I'll show you how to set it up in a moment. You can also set up the price. So if you got any kind of pricing, like the custom price, you can set up that price. You can also select the currency. And if you want to upsell a course or use a course as a sub course inside of this course, you can select that too. You have drip feeding. So if you want to send this course out in a drip fed manner, you can do that. You can select the interval between the drip feeding and you can select what text you want to show them. You can also have custom page URL. So if you want a registration page, a membership page, or a course page that you want a custom page for any of this, you can put in your custom URLs and the content will show up in those URLs. And if you want to show some demo content, people can actually consume this content, see this lesson, so that your prospective students can consume this content, see the lesson that you have put out as a trailer or as a demo before they actually buy the course. So you can put in your branding logo, you can select a course image, and you can select a video that you want to use with the course. You can just put in a URL and that will be used as your promo video. Then it also allows themes. We have a bunch of ready-made themes for the student experience. And I do have a separate tutorial which shows you how the students will see the courses. It's a top class experience for them. It rivals the best in the industry. It has every feature that your students expect and is very easy to use. And you can have custom themes in there. So you can select any theme that you want and save it, and your course will be delivered in that combination, in that theme. And inside of settings, you have some other options like shortcodes. You can put in shortcodes to show the landing pages or the progress. So these shortcodes will help you customize the user experience further. And there are tutorials that show you exactly how to use them for maximum effectiveness. And CourseFunnels has a rich analytics system. So when you go to the analytics menu, you can select the funnel that you want to work with, select the course that you want to work with, and it's going to tell you exactly who's coming to your course, how many visits were there, how many conversions were there, what operating systems, what browsers they were coming to, what kind of machines they were using, and what were the location, where were they from. So all of this information is available right inside of analytics. You can do it on a funnel wide basis or even on a page wide basis. So you can see for separate pages exactly how your visitors were behaving and how they converted. Also, CourseFunnels gives you the capability to collect opt-ins right inside of itself. And when you look at the funnels that you set up, when you look at the courses that you set up, you will find an option that says view opt-ins. Click on it and it will ask you which page you want to view the opt-in for. And depending on whether you've set up an opt-in page or not, you will be able to click on it and see all the people who signed up from that opt-in page. You can export it to CSV, you can search, it's all in there. And if you're somebody who's selling PLR courses or you're selling a course itself to another instructor or another seller, there is a system inside of CourseFunnels to allow others to copy the entire funnel with the course setup. You can click on this button, copy the code, give it to your customer, and they will be able to duplicate your course funnel, duplicate your course from inside of CourseFunnels in their website on their domain by just putting in the code. Let me show you another amazing feature. So I'm going to edit one of my funnels, and here I've got my funnel pages and I've got my landing page. Click on the settings button here and you have some really advanced features like A/B testing, to display a facility to display the cookie notice, to clear the cache, to create an AMP page automatically. So CourseFunnels is actually the only funnel builder that supports AMP and auto generates AMP pages. You can send your opt-in leads to Zapier and you can redirect this, the people who sign up from this page to any page instead of sending them to the upsell. If you got an upsell set up, by clicking on this button, you can select a page category. You can select an SMTP if you want to send out a mailer. You can select the list where the leads will be sent to from this page if you got an opt-in setup. If you want to add an autoresponder, you can do that. If you want to add a custom integration, you can do that. And you can put in custom JavaScript in your header, in your footer. You can put in some input data for your leads. It's all in there. It's extremely flexible. And you can also modify the SEO data, things like page title, icon, page description, keywords, robots value, copyright, DC title. It's all inside, and you can modify everything you want. So CourseFunnels actually takes care of everything. It takes care of the course content creation. It takes care of membership. It takes care of analytics. It takes care of your sales. It takes care of your SEO, and it's got features for everything. And those things that we don't have a feature integrated in the main software, we're extending using plugins. So you can use plugins, have more plugins come in and take care of very, very custom details, have a plugin for exit pop-off, convert proof, and much, much more. So guys, I'm going to wrap up this demo. There is so much more in CourseFunnels, but I'm sure this video gave you a very good overview of how powerful CourseFunnels is. Let me say it again, there's nothing that even rivals this. There's nothing that comes close to this. And at the price point where we have CourseFunnels, there is never going to be anything that will rival CourseFunnels, that will make you more profit than CourseFunnels. This is Siddharth, your best friend in internet marketing, signing off.
Hey guys, this is your friend Surjit, and first I want to thank you for all the support that you've given me all through those years. It's nearly 10 years now. It's actually the 9th year since I started making tools for internet marketers, and it has been a tremendous journey. Thanks to all your support, we've created together bunches of amazing software and delighted our customers through nearly a decade, and I'm looking forward to the next decade with you. And today I'm so excited because I will be telling you about my next product. It's called CourseFunnels, and I think this is one of the best products that I've ever made. It's something that our market has never seen before, even though the need is there right now. You see, the e-learning market has been growing bounds ever since the pandemic happened, and right now it's nearly worth $300 billion, and it's growing year to year with about 20% growth, and it's a huge, huge market. And by 2022, it's going to be above 300 billion. And the best thing is, most of this market belongs to small-time creators like us, people who have been creating content, targeting different niches, and they are making a lot of money on platforms like Udemy and others. But most of the money is there for content creators, for training creators, by making training courses that they can sell themselves, that they don't have to pay people a commission on. And that's what my next product is about. This is called CourseFunnels, and it's the ultimate courses and trainings platform that allows our customers to create fantastic trainings with top class student experience, with quizzes, with assignments, with a perfect with a perfect system to consume that course. But also, it's the first course builder that includes a funnel builder right inside the box. It's got a lot of marketing features. I'm talking about a sales and funnel builder, so you can build your landing pages, you can build your opt-in pages right inside CourseFunnels. And that's not all. It's got email marketing too. So anybody who signs up, let's say you've got leads from your landing pages and opt-in pages. Let's say you've got students and you want to sell them something else, you want to sell them a course, or you want to cross-sell or promote an affiliate offer. You can do all of that from within CourseFunnels, and it's the only product that lets you do that. And that's not all. CourseFunnels is the course and trainings builder that has support for the most number of payment systems and affiliate cards. So it's got like all the primary payment gateway systems of the world, like Authorize.net, TrueCheckout, and so many more. And it has support for all the primary Prime affiliate systems too, like ClickBank, JVZoo, Value Plus, Pay Kickstart. They're all inside of CourseFunnels. And it also supports a bunch of autoresponders that's about the score. So all your favorite autoresponders are supported, all your favorite CRMs are supported through Zapier, because CourseFunnels also has support for Zapiers. To cut the long story short, this is the most powerful training system ever invented by anyone, and I'm really proud to bring it to you. It's based on the CloudFunnels architecture that I successfully launched last year, and that launch was epic. It did nearly $300,000, actually $298,000 during the launch week. It was an amazing launch, And I expect that CourseFunnels will be well received in the market. People are going to love it because there's simply nothing like this, and there's simply not going to be anything like this, because this is also the only course builder that has advanced plugin system. So we support plugins, and we have made a bunch of free plugins for people who make landing pages. You got plugins like Conversion Proof, you got plugins like Exit Pop, like SEO, like surveys, all built right inside. So nobody has to pay $100 a month or $300 a month for alternatives. Everything can be done in just a single go with one single price during the launch week, and I expect that people will avail it. People already trust our brand, they trust Teknikforce, and when you bring them another Teknikforce product that's of this quality, that's of this scalability, I'm sure you are going to bank amazing commissions. And don't forget, it's got $10,000 in prizes, and I'm going to make sure you make the maximum of those prizes. I'm going to make sure that you take home super commissions and those prizes. I'll be here for you, waiting for you. If you got any questions about CourseFunnels, about the launch, the promo, anything you might need help with, reach out to me. Let's get talking, and let's make this an amazing promo together. This is Siljit, your friend in internet marketing, signing off.